Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Saharul. I'm from section 2 and this is my submission of lab 4 program 1 to Madam Zurati. So for program 1 we are going to calculate the total perimeter of hexagon. So in this program we are going to calculate the perimeter of hexagon. We have two hexagon 1 and hexagon 2. So we are going to produce the output as we can see over here on the right side. Okay, so these are the coding. Now we have string 1 until string 6. Okay, these are going to be used to prompt the user, okay, to enter the input, or also can be used to produce the output. Okay, and in this program we have few variable site hexa 1, which is value of site hexagon 1 and site hexagon 2. We also have perimeter of hexagon 1 and perimeter hexagon 2, and total perimeter, which is perimeter hexagon 1 plus hexagon 2. So we declare all this equal to 0. So now we move on to our coding. So first we move the offset of string 1, which is the address of string 1, into edx, because in order to use call write string, okay, it refer to the edx register. So we move the string 1 address into the edx, and then we can use the call write string. So it will display enter a site value for hexagon 1. Okay, and then next we use call read integer in order to ask the user to enter the input. Okay, and then after the user has entered the input is located in the EAX. We move into the site hexa 1. Okay, because this is we are going to ask the value of site hexagon 1. And then in order to calculate the perimeter of hexagon 1, we use loop. Okay, loop. Hexagon has 6 sides, so we put the ECX register equal to 6 because we want 6. We want to have 6 iteration, so the loop 6 time. So perimeter hexagon before is 0. We add with the EAX as stated before over here, which is 6. What the user entered. Okay, so it will loop 6 times, and then we will get the perimeter of hexagon. Okay, next, over here, from this code until over here, the explanation is just the same for this from this. Okay, it's just this one is for hexagon 1 and this 2 is for hexagon 2. Okay, now we move on to the next code. So it's the same. We move the address of string 3 into the edx. We call the write string. It will display perimeter for hexagon 1 with side equal, and then we move the value of site hexa 1 into the EAX in order to use the call write integer, because write integer refer to the EAX. So site hex 1 has been entered by the user. Okay, has been entered by the user input, and then we move into the AS and then write. Okay, next, for the string 5, this is for the is and colon sign write string, and then lastly over here is we move the perimeter hexagon 1 into AX, and then we display the perimeter hexagon. So as we can see over here, so this one is for hexagon 1, and this one is for hexagon 2. Okay, the explanation is just the same. So for the call CRLF, this we use to end line to move from this line to the new line. Okay. Okay, next we are going to move the total perimeter, which is the perimeter hexagon 1 plus hexagon 2. Okay, which is 0 into the EAX, and then we add the EAX with perimeter hexagon 1. Next, the EAX contain the value of perimeter hexagon 1, and then we add with value of perimeter hexagon 2. Then we get the total of perimeter in the EAX. We move into the total perimeter, and then we move the offset, okay, the address of string 6 into edx. We display the output, and then we which is this one, the total parameter equal, and then we use the call write integer. It refer to the EAX before, okay, which is the total parameter of both hexagon. And then we use call wait message in order to pause our program, to buffer our program, so that our program does not terminate directly, okay, after it has completed the coding. So now we are going to build. Okay, we succeed. Okay, no problem. And then we are going to debug. Okay, so now we are going to put the value is 5, and then next one is 4. So as you can see, this is the output. Okay, when we put 5 and then we put 4, the user enter, it will calculate by using the loop. Okay, 6 times 5, okay, we got 30, and then 6 times of 4, we got 24, and then we add the total parameter, okay, or hexagon 1, hexagon 2, we got 54. Okay, and then the wait message, so that the program does not terminate. Okay, that's it for program 1. Thank you.